everyone. I'll try to make it as short as possible, right? So what happened? I woke up this morning and I was like, fine. I want to buy a white cat, right? I want to buy a white cat because I like cats, and I don't know. I'm gonna show you. I have two cats. I have this one, and have another one. Anyways, I think she's somewhere under the bed. So that's her painting. She looks exactly like this painting. So I really want to warn people about being scammed online, and those websites that offer to buy or sell things. So what happened? I'm gonna show you the text on my phone. I left the ad saying that I would like to buy, like, I'm looking for the white cat. And then I received a text. I have a Persian cat for rehoming. I was like, hi, is it kitten? Yes, it's 8 years old, da 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 da. Then they sent me the picture, right? Then they sent me the picture, and yes, close up so you can see how it looks like. And I was like, this picture looks pretty cool, you know? And I decided to give a phone call to the guy to ask, you know, to talk to a person, you know, to like, you know, to make a phone call. And the guy sounded like kind of like Arabic or Indian or something. I don't know. He sounded like immigrant. I was like, hold on, immigrants, they don't really breed cats, you know? And that was kind of a little bit sketchy. I was like, maybe that's his wife, you know, and I just like jump into conclusions and all that. And then I was like, okay, like, can I pick it up now? He's like, yes, you can. And I was like, how far are you? He didn't want to tell me his address. He asked me about my location. I didn't tell him my exact address. I told him just like address that is like a few buildings away. And he told me that he's 4 hours away. And I was like, there's no way I'm gonna drive, because that's gonna come up to 8 hours drive, and it's very stressful for little kittens. So then he tells me, uh then he told me that he can deliver the cats. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna, all right. So I don't know, then he says, I don't know if you can see, yes, it's 4 hour drive. I will be able to get it delivered if you can't come. I was like, yes, 4 hours is a big drive. Okay, no problem. Where do you want it delivered? I was like, okay, today if possible. And he's like, what is the payment plan? How much you want for the deposit? Da 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 da. I was like, okay, I'm offering you $900 for both cats. Then I told him I can send $20 to show that I'm serious. You can see my name, etc. When you do the money transfer in Canada, you can see a person's name. So I was like, I have a child. He loves cats. I'm a serious person. Rest is cash. I'm available now today. He's like, you can make the deposit of $200 and I'll get the rest as cash. No bargain when I get there. I was like, whoa. Like, I'm really sorry, but I think $20 should be fine, just to kind of, just to trust the person. Why would I do the money transfer in the first place? Because 200, that's, I don't even know the person. Then I was like, hold on a second. The picture that he sent me, it looks kind of little, like, it looks a little too cute. So I went on Google, and on Google. So now I'm gonna show you guys what you should do so you won't be scammed like me. When you go to Google search, I don't know why it's a little blurry. So what you see, you can talk to Google. Also, there's an option. There's a little thing, looks like a little photo camera. So what you have to do, you have to click, and then there will be options to choose up the pictures. So in my case, this is screenshots, right? There's a screenshots, view all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that picture that he sent me, and then I click search, and now we see the results. So I see two pictures. I'm gonna just scroll down. So this one is from Pinterest. Cute cats. I don't know if you can see, cute cats and kittens. And this picture was among all those other pictures. And IMG fave. I don't even know what the hell is this. So basically, this fucking guy, he took a picture of Google and he trying to scam me. Let's call him. I'm about to give him a phone call about the deposit, because he told me that he's 4 hours away, so he knows that I'm not gonna do the drive because it's too far. Let me tell him that I'm gonna do the drive, right?
Subscriber you have called is not available. Please leave a message after the tone.
Okay, he's not answering. Let me give him a message. Okay. Can I call you? You see? Let's see what he's gonna say. Because he thinks that I believe him. Yo, Cassandra.
Yeah.
Basically, I almost got scammed by some fucking guy, and he said that he's selling cat, because I wanted to get another cat, and the guy said that he's selling a cat, like a white cat and all that. I was like, okay, fine. And then he asked me for like deposit, and then so okay, alright, so he called me back. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hi, we spoke about the cat.
Yes, you said you are going to send me 200.
You know what? I was actually thinking, instead of sending you deposit, I think I can actually do the 4 hours drive if you can send me the address.
Oh, that's true. Okay, shall I send the address to you?
Yeah, send me the address and I'm gonna come pick up the cats. So $900 is okay with the price?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So I'm just waiting for the address and I'm coming. So, yep, don't be scammed, people. That's how you can easily check if the picture is authentic or there was just a random image taken from Google search. Cheers.